How to unblock someone on Grindr. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can unblock someone on Grindr. So to do that, first of all, open the Grindr app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Grindr account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to unblock someone, you'll simply have to tap on your profile picture on the top left corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on the option settings. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll down, and there you can see the option named unblock users. Now in this page you can see all of the different people whom you have blocked on Grindr. So in order to unblock them, simply tap on their name and then a pop-up will appear where it will say simply unblock. So tap on the option unblock and then you will have successfully unblocked someone on Grindr. So that is basically how you unblock someone on Grindr. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.